Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix the user's account has expired error message in Windows operating system. So if you have the domain user account and you try to log into the domain account on your Windows 11 or 10 or any other operating system, you may receive this error. I'll first quickly illustrate this error. So I'm currently on a Windows operating system, and when I try to input the username and correct password, you can see that it displays the error message. The user's account has expired and there is only an OK button there. If I click on the OK button, I'll be taken back to the user login screen. So this is the problem you might be facing, and in this video we will see how you can fix this. So for fixing this, you should have access to the domain controller. So in case if you have a standard account, then you can reach out to your domain controller or IT admin and ask them to fix the problem using the steps I will share next in this video. And in case if you are the domain controller, then you can try out these steps after logging to the domain controller. So first we will log into the domain controller with the administrator account. So here I have just logged into the domain controller, and once everything is launched in the server manager, we can close it out. And then here we have two solutions. Let's start with solution number 1. So in the first solution, you have to simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type dsa.msc and click OK. Now this will open Active Directory, users and computers. In this window, you have to select your domain name carefully and then go to users folder. In the corresponding right pane of the users folder, you will have to locate the user having this problem and simply right click on it and select properties. And on the property sheet, you have to switch to account tab. And there at the bottom of the account tab, you will see account expires is set to some date. So in my case, it is set to June 6, 2025, and today is 9 June 2025. That is why I am getting this error, pretty much expected. So to resolve this problem, what I can do is I can just set the account expiration date to a newer date, which is something in the future. For example, I set it to some date in October. So the account expiration period is now extended, and we have to just click on apply and then OK, and this will resolve the issue for the concerned user. And another thing you can do is, if you do not want to extend the account expiration date, just go back to the account tab, and there you set the account expires to simply never. And when you select that, the account will never expire and the user will no longer get this error. So this was our method 1, or I should say solution number 1. Now let's move to the alternate way to do this. So we have solution number 2. In the solution number 2, we use simply the commands to remove the expiration for the account. For that, you have to simply right click on the start button and select terminal admin. And by default, terminal admin opens to Windows PowerShell unless you change that. So in case if you have changed that, you can simply open the administrative Windows PowerShell from the drop down next to the plus button. I now already have the Windows PowerShell tab open. I have to just paste this command. We can just simply put this command. You can just copy and paste this command from the video description. And in this command, you have to simply substitute the username of the concerned user who is getting this problem. So I'm just typing in the username for this system. And once this is done, you have to just press the enter key In few moments you will see that the command completed successfully. This means the user's account expiration is now completely removed and user can now log in as usual and the error will not occur anymore. In case if you are still facing the issue, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.